I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Yeah. Super sport, guys. Super sport.
I know y'all seen that new intro. I know y'all seen it, man. Hey. Yeah, buddy. Hey, go ahead and ask me who did it, man. Go ahead and ask me who made it, man. That's right. Hey, no, but for real though, that's my first intro I ever did for this channel. And I'm pretty happy with it for now, man. This is, you know, nothing big, nothing too crazy, but you know, I like it, man. I like it for now, man. Let me know what you guys think of it, man. But what I really wanted to come on here and say, guys, is I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the plans I have for this channel. As far as some videos I'm going to be making sort of centered around this car. So what I'm planning is sort of like a very small series, if you want to call it, all right, man. That series is basically that series is basically, you know, focused around the steps I took to get here with this car. Now, I've made a few videos talking about little pieces of it here and there. For example, I talked to you guys a little bit about, you know, all the incomes or the side incomes, my main income and everything I had to build up. I talked about credit, you know, mistakes and things like that. I sort of just touched on a little piece of each. I never went into details, you know, and that's one thing I noticed, you know, with usually any video, whether it's from, you know, the average person like myself or a millionaire or so, they give you advice, but usually you never get like down to the very, you know, the details of it. You know, you never get down to it. So the goal of this series is to hopefully help you guys who are probably looking to get your dream car, you know, get there, man. And I want to tell you guys in detail, like all my videos, this is going to be based off my experience. I'm not gonna be selling you guys anything. This is all truths, you know. So the purpose of that is, this guy want to race or something? I thought he wanted to race, boy. Okay. Are you gonna go? Hold on, let me pull on the camera. Look at this. See him in the rear view? I don't know if you can see it. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. You know you wanna go. Thanks, man. Oh man, I'm telling you, man, this is how it's been lately, man. I'm telling you, just non-stop excitement, man. And anyway, man, sorry guys, you see, it's very easy to get distracted in this car, or every time I'm making a video, man. Between all the cuts you guys see me do, a lot of things happen that I don't show. But anyway, man, back to what I was saying, guys. I plan to make a series to go into details on, you know, all the steps I did to get a dream car, and the goal is to hopefully, you know, you guys don't have to do the same thing I did, but I guarantee you a lot of what I'm going to be telling you guys you can apply this to almost any situation. You guys know I'm not rich or anything, man. I'm not rich, so this isn't going to be telling you guys how to get rich, because I'm not rich. But it's definitely going to be telling you how to get what you want and be, you know, still be comfortable with it. So yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. Do you want to see videos like that, or you don't care? Let me know either way so I can know. Also, before I close this video, guys, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you who've commented on my videos, who've liked. If you're subscribed, man, that goes a very, very long way. And yes, I did notice that my channel pretty much skyrocketed recently, and I am very blessed and I'm very grateful for that, man. It definitely took off a little faster than, you know, than I was actually aiming to, and it's all thanks to you guys. If you guys weren't watching and commenting, the channel's not going anywhere, man. If you guys also watch my earlier videos, you guys know I talked about, you know, what I'm going to be using YouTube for in the future, and part of it, or a big part of it, is for business, of course. So, you know, my channel is, you know, most of you know about YouTube and money, so my channel is very close to being monetized. I can't wait, because the money that I earn from YouTube, guess where it's going? Right into this car, right into this channel. So, you know, if I'm monetized and I make $1 for the month, man, I'm telling you, that's $1 in car parts. The weather has been bad for like the last 3 days, just non-stop rain, and this is the only break I saw. So I said, you know what, let me just come out on the road and make this video real quick, man. But yeah, we're going up, man, going up all 2020.
I'm in the Ferrari of the American car. See right here? Super sport, guys, super sport.